Hello again, Miss Ju.
Hello.
How many initials do we still have to cover?
Good question. We only have 7 initials left to learn, but they're quite difficult.
Well, I love a challenge, so bring it on.
First, let's see zhi, chi, shi, ri. You use the raised tongue tip and the front part of the head palate together to pronounce them. The first one, shi.
Ah, that's similar to sh in the word shy.
Yes, shi,
Sh.
shi. From now on, you can call me 老师. 老师 means teacher. 我是老师.
老师你好.
Zhi. The front of your tongue initially touches the hard palate.
So, is the mouth shape here the same as with sh?
Yes. Just try with me. Zhi,
Zhi.
zhi. 这 means this. 知这.
So, can I say 这是朱老师?
Wow, quite good. You're so smart. 吃. The airflow is stronger than 知. 吃.
吃.
吃. 吃 means to eat in Chinese.
啊，我饿了.
So what do you use to eat?
A knife and fork.
Fork in Chinese is 叉. 吃啊叉. 日.
No sound like this exists in English. R. Is that okay?
Quite good.
Thank you. But how do I actually produce this sound?
Well, you raise the 2 sides of your tongue, and then your vocal cords should vibrate. R.
R.
R. You said 饿了, right? You're hungry. What do you like to eat?
Well, I like to eat meat.
Meat in Chinese is 肉. 肉.
肉. So, does that mean I can say 我爱吃肉?
Exactly. Quite good. So now, can you read these 4 initials?
No problem. 知, 吃, 是, 日.
Very good. But 知, 吃, not after them. So, 知, 吃, 是, 日. Let's practice some syllables. 诗屋, shu, book. 吃啊, cha, tea. 热, hot. 知道, to know. Here, 知, this is not e. E cannot be put after 知, 吃, 是, 日. This is a special final used after them. When you see it, you only have to read the initial and the tone on it. 知, 知, 吃, 是, 日. That's all what we learned in this video. See you next time.
你好，朱老师.
你好.
Last lesson, we learned 知, 吃, 是, and 日.
日 It's not 热.
日. Okay, very difficult. So far we've learned 4 of 7. So, what are the final 3?
The next 3 is 滋, 呲, 丝. These 3 initials are pronounced slightly further forward in your mouth than 知, 吃, 是, 日. They require coordination between the tongue tip and the inside of the upper teeth. First, 丝.
Ah, that sounds like s in the English word student.
Yes, 丝. 丝
s,
丝 It's raining outside. Do you have an umbrella?
no, I don't.
So you need the Chinese word 伞 思安伞
San, but what does that mean?
umbrella 伞 z Your tongue tip should initially touches the inside of your upper teeth. z
Z. It kind of sounds like when you get electrocuted by something. Z.
Yes, z For example, 走 z-o 走 means to go or to walk. I have an umbrella. You can go with me.
好，我们走。
c The airflow here is stronger than z.
Ah, and the mouth shape is the same as when you say z,
Yes, c
c,
For example, 菜 c-i 菜 Vegetables. I like vegetables.
我爱吃肉，你爱吃菜。
Good. You can speak Chinese now. So how about read these initials one more time?
No problem. Z, c, c,
C.
c.
Yes. Z, c, c. Now let's practice some syllables. 思安三 3. 资安脏 dirty. 思色 color. 丝绸 silk. Here, 丝 the same as 之 we learned before. It is a special final used after 滋 c, 丝. You also just read the initial and the tone. Here, I'll give you some more examples. 四 词
Wow. A lot of what we learn today is totally different than it is in English.
Well, yes and no. Some sounds exist in both languages, such as 丝
But some things are totally new for me, such as the pronunciation of z, and some of it's even confusing. Like, the pronunciation for ц is different compared to English, which would be k.
Oh, don't worry, just practice more. We'll go over these sounds later. See you next time. 你好, George.
你好, Zhu 老师. We still have some finals remaining to learn in Chinese Pinyin, so should we do them now?
Yes. Do you still remember how to pronounce this final?
Of course I do. I,
Excellent. I. When you pronounce I, your pronunciation should smoothly transition from A to E. Now, let's learn some compound finals starting with I, U, Ü.
now that sounds interesting.
Let's see some compound finals with E in the beginning. Ya,
Ya,
Ye,
yeah,
Yao.
yao,
Excellent. Now can you try these syllables?
ji, ya, jia, home or family. Ji, ye, jie, elder sister. Xi, yao, xiao, small.
家, 姐, 小. Do you have a 姐姐?
No, I don't, but I do have a younger brother.
That is 弟弟.
Ah, Didi. So, how can I say older brother and younger sister?
That is 哥哥 and 妹妹.
Okay. 哥哥, 妹妹,
哥哥.
哥哥.
Good. Next. 烟,
Yan,
央,
yang,
音,
in,
音,
in,
庸.
yong. 朱老师, I'm a little bit confused. So I can't really feel any difference between in and ing.
Ow. In and ing, the difference is comparable to the difference between an and ang.
Ah, so you open the back of your mouth when you pronounce ing. Ing.
You got it. So for example, 心 means heart, while 星 means star.
心. Xing.
Very good. Now can you try some more syllables?
Sure. 七烟钱 money. 西洋想 think. 西用熊 bear. 波音冰 ice.
钱想熊冰
All right. Bing means ice, right?
Yes.
Ah, right. Because I can only normally get hot water in restaurants for some reason, right? But I prefer cold water. So next time I go to a restaurant, I'll say Bing.
Smart. Well, we believe hot water is more healthy. Okay, let's quickly review.
Ya,
鸭
ye,
椰
yao,
腰
yan,
烟
yang,
央
yin,
阴
ing,
英
yong.
庸 Here we have some compound finals starting with u, 哇 窝 歪 弯 汪 翁 Some examples.
He, wa, hua, flowers. De, wo, duo, many. Ke, wai, kwai, fast. Chi, wan, chuan, boat.
吃湾船
Chuan. He, wan, huang, yellow.
喝汪黄
Huang.
Good. 花多快船黄
I often hear kwai, kwai, kwai. So that means like quickly, quickly.
Yes. And we've learned 很多 a lot. And you're learning very fast. 很快
I am. So can I have a rest now?
Well, you've earned it. I hope you feel rested now.
I certainly do. So let's get back to it.
Okay. The last three compound finals, they begin with yu, yue, yuan, yun. Now, are you ready to take the challenge?
Yes, I love challenges. Yue, moon. Xue, study. Yuan, circle. Yun, cloud.
月学圆云学 is study. 学生 is student.
So, 我是学生.
Correct. Now let's review these finals.
Yue, yuan, yun,
渊
yuan.
Yes. 约渊晕 Well, these are all compound finals beginning with I, U, Yu. If it is a compound vowel, the I, U, Yu at the beginning is read very lightly and then slides quickly to the main vowel. There are three special compound finals. 优 微 温 We omit the main vowel in the middle when we write, but don't forget them when you read. 酒 alcohol, 水 water, 问 to ask.
Now, let's have a quick recap of the compound finals beginning with I, U, and U that we just learned. Have a try by yourself, and then read after Ju 老师。
鸭、耶、腰、烟、央、拥、忧、阴、阴、蛙、窝、歪、微、弯、温、汪、翁、约、渊、晕。Now, how about practicing some more words?
I'd love to. Let me try. 学校，
学校、
学校。电话，漂亮，
漂亮、
漂亮。睡觉，
睡觉、
睡觉。